Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Talas, introducing the guest house midnight where everything feels real and truly homely. A quiet garden, handicrafted wooden details and natural stones that fill this place with a special atmosphere. There is nothing extra here, only warmth and peace. At Midnight Guest House, you wake up to silence, surrounded by comfort and simplicity. Kyrgyzman travel easy.